always bringing in new influences, new ideas, new collaborations. 3D printing, for example, was one of these new technologies that really had unlimited possibilities.
They're the most convenient piece of footwear we own. We all have memories wearing them. Out on the beach, on vacation, out on a hot sunny day. But a sandal is not something you want to wear all day because they're really bad for your feet. They're mass manufactured, made for no one in particular, and they use the cheapest materials they can find just to get something you can put on and off. The ones that do offer some kind of support really fall short because they're not actually custom. And we just said, well, we can fix that.
Weave has created a line of products that are not only made for you, but are a part of you.
I would say this is just the very beginning, and it sounds silly and cliche, but who knows, man? I don't know what's next, and that's what's great about going to work every day.